The traditional religion is very strong. In Uganda here, all those people you see saying they are Catholics, they are Protestants, they are Muslims, they are all from the... But for us, we are guiding them. Because, for instance, they would come, our priests, our traditional priests, they would come and start confusing our soldiers. Nti bwokwata olumuli, esasi teri kukwata. That if you hold a reed, the bullet will not catch you. So you see the soldiers, instead of carrying the gun, he's carrying a reed now. They were about, they could easily have turned our movement into a Rakwena type of Rani. So I was, Musu Sensaro. So we had to say, no, you people, we cannot accept this. So if you say, when you hold Orumuri, a reed, and the bullet cannot catch you, you stand there and we shoot you. So then they leave that. And then one time they made me perform a ceremony myself. They slaughtered a chicken and I had to jump over it 3 times. And then my priest who was conducting the said, "Ngakati kuboko zomukolo. Lubogana nemundo emu wamba Kampala." Then I said, bagambe bajjajja. Tebyo olutalo babindekere. Ndikati bakukiriza, how can they agree so quickly? I will not even ask them. So these are people who just need information.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.